right, this is really just a division problem. So the first thing we need to do is do our addition, which means we need to get a common denominator. So let's get one. This needs an x. And this guy here needs the x plus 6. Now, you can't just add a 6 to the top and the bottom, because if you add things to the top and bottom, it changes value, but if you multiply things to the top and bottom, it keeps it the same. So this is really multiplying by 1, so you are allowed to do that. Once you get your common denominator, you need to go ahead and do your addition. Now there's nothing really mathy that needs to happen here, so it's just really x plus 6 plus x is really what's happening there, which is 2x plus 6. At this point, that is my numerator, and then this guy here is my denominator, so I'm going to flip it, multiply by the reciprocal. And I'm also right here going to go ahead and factor out a common factor of x. So at this point, magic happens. This goes away, this goes away. This I can factor out a 2. And now this can go away. So I get x plus 3 as my final answer. Not too shabby. And it was here, so I can feel confident about that. Let's go ahead and look at 6. These were chosen by my class, so here you go, peeps. We need a common denominator, so, sorry. The first thing I need to do is factor. I have a 2x that can be multiplied out, or factored out. I'm left with x minus 1, which is great, because then that means that this just needs to be a 2x and a 2x to make these guys the same. So my numerator is this, 2x minus 1, and my denominator, I go ahead and leave it factored. Then I'm going to multiply it by the reciprocal of this. This is powerful math here, folks. You can take out a 2x here. You're left with x minus 1. So all of this goes away from all of that. And then it looks like that's it. There's really nothing else I can factor out. There's no common things. So I look for it, and it's right there. So yay, we're good to go.